Hi, good morning. Welcome back. Today you are joining us as we go to Tractor Supply because I heard that they were selling some fruit trees for 35 bucks each. They were good size. They were like about 5 feet. No, they were taller than me. So they were about maybe 6 foot trees for 35 bucks. Peach, apple, plum. I saw pecan. And so, of course, my dream home, my forever home has fruit trees. And so I wanted to go check them out. And so guess what? We bought some. There's our peach tree. And I think that was a majestic peach tree, and that is my pink lady apple. So there's this. There's my plum, my cara orange, and my avocado, I think, over there. No, that was my lemon. That's my lemon. Sorry. So this is my plum. The middle is my lemon tree. The lemon tree blooms such beautiful smelling flowers when they're about to fruit. And then in the end should be my cara. So he's planting the peach right here, sort of like in a square. Okay, so this was a melocotonero. Melocotonero. I think that's how you pronounce it, maybe. Spanish. And here's my apple. This is actually a good size. I think this is like 6.5 foot. And it was $35. Tractor Supply. You look like you're about to plant a tree. And Luna looks like she's ready for a siesta. It looks like you're making a square.
Yeah, but I think we should go behind the lemon plant too. And this will start on another row.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of go in rows. Now we're going that way.
It's looking really pretty. And with the 3 palms over there, it's really nice.
12, 10, 15.
Where is my... I thought you said we had an avocado.
Over there. Right here.
Oh, the tiny one. Nope. Don't get in the water.
Water, baby. Water.
Okay. A good old school broomstick holding up that tree.
Well, I'm doing what it's supposed to do after a frost. You see? The leaves die. And hopefully it comes back. Hopefully. So do what is it called?
The cara orange.
So we had that frost not too long ago. So look at all this. All new growth. If you get closer, you'll be able to see all the new
The
growth.
babies.
Yep, it's all new growth. That's the frost.
This is my cara. That's my cara orange. So, I don't know much about trees, but hopefully this one blooms this season.
No, I didn't think about two seasons.
I'm playing. There's Shelby. Say hi, Shelby. Is Shelby a boy or a girl? No one's listening to me.
I try to line them up because I don't know how big. Some of them are going to get super big.
I saw a pecan tree.
Tall, and 8 to 12 feet high, wide. So it'll be a big tree. That's why I don't put them too close. I try to line them up with the other trees we have on the property. just to make it look somewhat uniform. And then the apple tree, I won't plant there because of the palm tree,
Mm-hmm.
but I think I'll plant them here. So we'll go here. Big, so it's not going to affect it. It's just, then it looks close.
I think,
Let's go forward more.
I don't know if this is gross, but I think the closer these fruit trees are to that septic tube line, they'll probably grow better. Is that like a bad thing that they're closer to that septic thing?
Because the roots are going to break your septic.
Oh, okay.
So you need to keep them somewhat apart.
Mm-hmm.
You're right, the water will help, but you don't want them close to your septic. So this will be tree. And then
I saw this pecan tree at Tractor Supply when we were getting these trees, and I wanted it so bad, but it was so tiny.
you want your own.
I-
Actually, it's funny because you could have put a pecan right there.
When I lived in California, I used to run this jogging trail that was lined with pecan trees, and I would pick up all the pecans. And one holiday, I tried to make a homemade pecan pie. It was really cool. I like it like this. Mm-hmm.
So put one tree there, one tree there. And the reason,
I want more avocado.
Huh?
Avocado.
Mm-hmm. The reason I'm making the space a little bit bigger is because in the future, because this is a sanctuary, if we need more space to put birds and cages, we can put them in between the trees.
Mm-hmm.
So they're getting shade. Mm-hmm. That's the only reason I separate them so much. And because if they're going to grow 10, 12 feet tall and wide, you need a space.
Mm.
This one's just 10 to 15 feet tall.
10 to 15 feet. That's pretty tall.
That's pretty tall.
How much is the other one? Let's see.
This one is...
That one was super big.
This is the plum.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is... Same thing. 10 to 15 feet tall and 8 to 12 feet wide. So that's big. And this one... 12 to 15 feet tall, 8 to 10 feet wide. So should we move this one away from the pond?
Yeah, it might, it might take away from the palms.
Because the bird farm starts here. This line, property line. This is where the bird farm starts back there. Oh, this will be your fruit trees. Oh, we could go here, babe. Look, go here. We still got a space over there. See, there should be another fruit tree right here, but I mean,
Can't you just align it right here?
we could align it.
It'll be right in the middle, sort of.
This is
Yeah.
where we go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. How big does my Kara get?
What you have, I don't know if it has much.
Welcome to country life, right, William?
No, we're not.
Let's see. This is a lemon,
That's a lemon.
but it doesn't say anything.
I think it's about 8-10 feet. I don't know.
This is my Kara certified citrus nursery stock. It says some type of certified Texas Department of Agriculture sticker on it. Why does it have those? These don't have it, does it? These don't have that Texas Department of Agriculture sticker. I wonder if they work at like some government thing and they just bring them because they're about to throw them away. We got that off of some guy on the Facebook Marketplace.
Is it fine, the place?
Huh? What?
Is it fine where it is?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, if you can look at it, it makes a square. And then we got open space.
What's in our pot over there?
Nothing, it's just empty. That's what I use to mix dirt. You put a flag there if you wanted to, really wanted to. We can put another flag in the middle. If we want to do it for the rescue bird. We good here?
Yeah, we're good.
Now you want to set the palm trees we're trying to grow.
Oh, you planted them already? Are these the ones you got out of that hill? I took a video. I haven't put it on YouTube yet. I haven't shown everyone. We randomly drove by this hill. And someone was like, just had these random palm trees in this hill, like throwing it away, not anything special. So Dennis went in the hill and took the palm trees out of the random dirt, but I forgot what these are called. But from what I understand, all plants do go into a shock when you take them out of the dirt and you replant them. So see, Dennis is the master gardener. I'm not. But these are the little things that I'm learning. I just love everything nature. So I love the fruit trees. I love all that stuff. And so whenever I want something, I ask him to do it. And then I learn from him. He wants to play with the water.
I always put water first because the dirt is so dry. It just makes it easier to make the hole.
I want to get one of those things that I saw that other girl on YouTube use. The one who was given that whole big farm and she's like super rich. And she has, is it called an auger? They just stick it in there and it makes an automatic hole.
You have an auger.
Yeah, why don't you use it?
Because I gotta put it together.
Because that would be like the smartest thing. Just a little later, I want to put it together. Come on. Oop, come on, walk. There you go, run away. So far.
Being lazy, I don't want to put the auger together. The reason I do it with my hands is I still want to remember how to do stuff with your hands.
Are you watching? Hey, Pinky, you need a bath. I need to take him a bath. So what's the, have you seen any, what's the difference? I'm sure there is a difference between New York dirt, Illinois dirt, and now Texas dirt. What's the biggest difference that you see?
A lot of clay in here and some sand compared to New York. It's a little bit more rich, even though this dirt is pretty good. But that's the difference. a lot of dryness and clay. It's a little harder to dig because it's always dry.
Mm. I don't know why bees always land on me back here. They don't land on anyone else, but they land on me.
That should be good enough.
So maybe that's why these plants are a little bit more rigid and tougher, because they have to grow through the clay.
Yeah, they have to go through the clay. And growing a plant in the clay is the toughest thing to do. Disturb the roots. Perfect hole. That's up to my wife how straight she wants her tree.
You want it really straight.
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah.
So you look for the part that she wants straight more. How's that look? Pretty straight.
Yeah, I think that's straight. Mm-hmm.
So then I just break this rock apart, this dirt, because I want grass to grow around it too. Whoop. And then you just backfill. Better get some of this stuff there.
I want to get one of those bee things. Yeah. I think some of them are actually for the bees to make honey. No?
Yep.
I love honey too. I love lots of things natural. I actually use only natural soaps too.
Try to rake it together.
I love soaps made out of goat. We have a friend here who has a bunch of goats. I should go ask if we can milk his goats. I assume you just go and take out the milk.
Everybody assumes that.
In a bucket, like the movies.
And once the goat kicks you because you pitch it the wrong way, you won't milk a goat ever again. That's pretty good.
I just want to see what type of apple it was again.
You said you liked it. You said you plugged that up.
Oh yeah, pink lady. I just already. You know what's funny is that they sell a lot of pink ladies here in Texas, like at Walmart grocery store and stuff. I wonder if it is an apple that grows good here. Back in Chicago, you can only get pink ladies on seasonal, so the same with the Cara oranges, but there's a lot of Cara trees here.
With all that water. Now you take the water. Sorry, buddy.
Are you angry?
You might want to do this for like 2 weeks straight.
Whoop.
We're trying to get some well water going on the property because the water from the house. It gets expensive after a while, especially planting so many trees. So we're trying to put the well water somewhere in that corner over there, back where the bulbs are. There's water running through the land that we could dig out well water. The only problem is salty, so we'll have to put a system to clean it, to clean out the water.
You don't think Luna's gonna try to dig out all these trees, do you?
No.
Luna's turning more brown.
Yep, she's getting chocolate now.
Uh-huh.
She wants to get chocolate myrtle, which is exciting.
How old is Luna now? Almost a year old?
Almost a year old.
And there's my Lola Lola. And there's my Lola Lola. There's no favoritism here.
Always, especially when there's kids around,
Oh.
make sure you pull your tools down, facing down so they don't get cut. You might trip on it, but he won't get cut. He's coming after the water, guys.
His clothes are weighing him down.
So this is the peach tree.
Okay, muscle.
There's a peach tree now. He just wants the water. He's gonna get really upset because I gotta soak the water so I know where I'm planting the tree. Can I borrow a little bit of water? There you go, there's some water for you. Let it soak in there for a minute. Because I'm trying to go here and go here. Trying to line it up. It might not be perfect, but when the trees grow, it'll look beautiful. And these are really, I wouldn't be surprised that they have fruits this year. Because they're pretty big established, sorry.
I would like to find a spot. I know I'm like hard-headed. I really would like to find a spot to go find cow manure or something to fertilize them.
That'll be great. Great idea. I'm sure we could go to any farm and they'll give us some cow manure.
It's cow manure or horse manure, right?
Yeah, both of them work. Both of them are the same, both of them are the same purpose. Don't be afraid to work your soil, guys. It's an exercise, not a lot of
I smell the dirt. It smells nice. I think Zeus is really comfortable here now. Yeah.
Just take just a little bit more. Just a little bit. In case we get a high wind. Look at him. Even better.
Yeah, that's good. That's aligned good, yeah.
Same thing. Chop down the
The grass is looking really good. I'm gonna try to find a picture of when we first moved in here of how the grass looked. I think it's like grown and leveled out a bit.
I haven't even fertilized it.
There was a lot of patches when we first moved in. and a dead German Shepherd. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Yes, there was back in the back of the property. Welcome to Texas, guys. Welcome to South Texas, I should say.
Yeah, welcome to South Texas. I don't think Dallas or Houston has that problem. I might be wrong, but you want to try to get all the air pockets out. So that's what kills the root. These air pockets, the cool will get in there, kill the weeds, freeze them, and then that's no good. Which will offer to the birds, like the apples. I don't know about peaches.
You can.
We can?
Yeah. They're all good. They're all good fruits.
They're all good fruits for the trees, for the birds.
The only thing that they really can't eat is the avocado because of the high fat content.
The walnut would have been perfect.
Yeah.
They love
I
that
do
stuff.
want walnut trees. I would love walnut trees.
We should go check and see if we can find one, a bigger one, on another Tractor Supply. I'm sure that's not the only one. Now I'm gonna rake it.
Go.
Hopefully the dogs won't try to dig it in. But sometimes they smell stuff under the ground that we don't smell. Motivates them. You start digging.
All right, so we're going to take a little break here and I'll show you the end result of all the planted trees. Thanks for watching. All right, so here's the final product. Here is my pink lady apple tree. It's like gazillion feet high. I'm playing, it's like maybe 6.5 feet. I don't know how high that is, but here it is aligned with my lemon tree and my cara tree over there, my peach tree, my plum tree, the guayaba tree over there held up by a broomstick, and the 3 palms that have been planted strategically, and my avocado tree. Oh, and I would love to get one of those bee things. So I just told Dennis I would like my hibiscus planted. So that is our next project. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our next video.
Lost again, going back